welcome back to another video on Double G Now Farm. So, it is the favorite time of the year. It is time to bring home all of the spring calvers. We are going to be doing a cattle drive from the field they are at, which is just a mile down the road, to the lots here at home, which is where they're going to be calving. So, let's start the cattle drive. So I'm not sure if y'all remember, a couple of months ago we had a windstorm come through here. It was, we had up to 100 miles an hour wind, and the barn shifted 7 inches in the wind, and so one of the walls actually came off of the foundation. So we have a crew here. They are working on fixing the barn. Too cold out. Yesterday it was in the 60s. Today it is 9 degrees. It is so cold out. But alright everyone, it is early Wednesday morning. Sadie and I are on a little road trip to go pick up little animals, so stay tuned to find out what we pick up. last couple of clips, we made it home safely, so we're very thankful for that. So our plan so we got 3 Nubian does, and our plan is to make milk goat soap with their milk, to milk them by hand. So that's our plan with them. They are so cute, and stay tuned to see what else happens this week. It is time to start cleaning out the calving barn. Dad has already started scraping this barn out, so let's get ready for calving season. Alright everyone, it is hard to believe the puppies are already 8 weeks old. So tomorrow a bunch of Lucy and Dixie's puppies are going home, and then Bella's puppies are not going home till February 21st. So it is time to start making welcome home kits for all of the puppies. So in the welcome home kits, we have their AKC papers, and then if the owner wants the puppy microchips, it will have the microchip number, card, stickers. We also send them home with a little teddy bear that smells like its mom and siblings, just for comfort, a little blankie, some food that we have been feeding them, and canned food. And then we also send them home with some treats and food and water bowls. So that is what we are going to be making tonight, are the welcome home kits. It is hard to believe, but 19 of the puppies have gone to their forever homes. They all went to amazing families. They all are going to be taken care of so well. Each one of them took a piece of my heart with them. And go do great things, puppies. We still have 10 little puppies available, so if any of you are interested, just leave a comment down below and we will contact you. So I actually just finished grooming the last 2 dogs of the week. We had 12 dogs come this week, so it was a pretty busy week of grooming dogs, but here are a couple of them that we got to groom. Alright everyone, we are so excited. So, one of our puppies is getting ready to head to California. Its owner is flying into Kansas City, and its owner's sister lives in Kansas City and has gotten a puppy from us before. And her sister is coming to pick up the puppy, and they're bringing Duke with them, which is actually a littermate to Dixie, which is one of Lucy's puppies. Anyways, long story. So we get to meet little Duke again. We're so excited.
But I mean, we
of the puppies that are still available, and it's kind of a job. Alrighty, well, I hope you all enjoyed watching this week's video. We'll see you next week.